Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your phone and plan support 5G. This matters because hardware and carrier provisioning enable the radio to connect. Once confirmed, update the system and carrier settings so the modem firmware and carrier profile match. Next, insert the active 5G SIM or activate the eSIM profile. This registers you on the carrier network. Make sure airplane mode is off and restart the phone after the SIM change. That forces a fresh network registration and speeds discovery. Now you enable 5G in software and optimize performance. Go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, then Network Mode, and pick the 5G/LTE or 5G/Auto option so the phone can fall back when needed. That balance preserves stability. Once done, disable aggressive battery saver modes because they throttle the modem and reduce throughput. Also, check APN settings match your carrier. Mismatched APNs can block data. If you plan tethering, enable mobile hotspot and choose 5 GHz Wi-Fi for fastest backhaul. To finish, verify the 5G icon appears and run a speed test to confirm latency and bandwidth improvements. Move to another spot if signals are weak, because physical obstructions affect millimeter wave and midband differently. If registration fails or no data, reset network settings to clear saved APNs and re-register with the tower. This often resolves profile conflicts. If the issue persists, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning. Request a SIM swap or check for local outages. Those steps solve most remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.